Ugh, ever since I got my head fixed. Whew, ever since my head got fixed. No, let me see that.
Do you have any pickles? Any pickles?
No, any pickles? No,
Any pickles?
No, I don't.
Pickles?
No, I don't have
Pickles?
Wait.
Any pickles? Any pickles?
Oh, but ever since wait, I didn't want the back. Oh, that's fine. He's not going to get into it. He's not going to go in the backyard. He doesn't know the door is actually open right behind it. What? Well, luckily he's not going to get the backyard. This is not closed. I only have to close this. Yeah, so wait, who's that? Wait, he can't open that. He can't open that. It's there. No one's there. Try get me. You can't get me. What are you? You're like a snail. You're like a snail. What are you? I don't have any pickles unless you know. I don't have pickles.
I know you have pickles.
I don't have pickles. I literally don't have pickles.
I know you do.
No, I don't.
Now we'll fly to your house.
No. Why do we get that? Close. Close. Lock it.
Got to lock it.
Okay. I got some pickles, but I don't want to give it to you. It's here. Right here.
There's no pickles in the fridge. There's no pickles.
I got the grimace. That's a pickle. The grimace is a pickle.
Give me it.
It got Okay, hold on. Let me get it to you. Hold on. Sorry.
Give me the baby cake.
Okay, here. He's there. Let me pick up his body. Pick up his dead body. He's heavy. He's really heavy. Come on. Okay, time for you. Okay, put you in the streets. What's that sound? Finally. Whew. Okay. Time to work the team bite. Oh, my head kinda hurts from the surgery. Fixing my head, so. This is hurting. My head's hurting. Oh, what's that? What was that? What was that? What was that? Oh, I need to close this. Whoa. Okay, I close it. Who is answering the door? You know what? Where is this guy? Why are you doing it? What do you want? What do you want from me? What do you want? No, shut up. Yeah. Oh, you said you only have the gun? You said you only have the gun? Well, Shield! 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 Who is this stranger? Get out of my house! Get out! Get out of my house! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out of my house! Why? This is not your house! Get out! Get out! Get out! Why is everyone coming in my house, man? 2 people is in my house, man. 2 people is in my house, man. Get out of my house! Get out of my house! Go! Go! Move! Move! Go! 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 Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out of my house! Move! 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 Come on! Come on! Get out! Get out of my house, man! Wait! Where you? Oh, where you going? Where you going? Where you going? Hey, where you going? Hey. But he's leaving. You're leaving? You're leaving? You're leaving? Good news. Good news. Okay, get out. Get out of my house. You, get out of my house. You're leaving, so get out. Finally get out. Where's the sound? Just get out of my house. Get out of my house. Okay. So here's the door. Here's the door now. Get out. Yeah, leave. Come on. Why are you doing it? Get out. Ugh, people are getting in my house. What is it? Oh God, it's the girl. Go away. Ugh, where's that guy? I feel a little. I need what? Let's see. Oh, I like this bathroom, but I like my own bathroom. My room bathroom. No, that's not my room. Go. Who is it? Hold on, pause. Who's that guy? Wait, who's that man? Who's that guy? Hey, you wanna go check it out together? Hey, you wanna check it out together? Hey, get off my back! You wanna check it out together? Come on, let's check it out together. Ow, that hurt my back. Hello? They're gone. Look around. It's right here. Look at the street. And get out! Shoot! Oh, that was a hard one. I need to watch some cooking videos. Yeah, after cooking mayo. That's right. Now I'm getting hungry. Got me hungry. Like food. I'm gonna answer it later. I usually eat pancakes is good. Okay, let me get fast with this. I love pancakes. I love for you. What's it? What is this guy? Who's this guy? Who is that guy? No, what is not open the door? Sorry, pancake. I need anymore. Want some pancake? You can have some pancake. You can literally have some pancake. Here. Leave. You like pancakes? Shake. Jump, you like it. Jump, you like it. Okay, he likes it. You want some more pancakes? Here. Look, I got some more pancakes. Come here. You want some pancakes? Okay, now. Okay, eat it. Now, go in that person's house. No, why are you in my house? No.
Oh my God.
Oh, that was all a nightmare. Oh, thank goodness it was not all real. What's that sound? Well, he's sleeping here, so he can stay in this room. Well, he can stay in this room. Well, he can stay in this room. Oh great, he's gonna eat all my pancakes. Now he's going to my room. Oh, I hear him just. Oh, I hear him sleeping in my bed. Oh, what? I have a good idea. Hey, you want waffles? You like waffles? You like waffles? Come down here. Okay, I can feel a vibration you saying no, so let me get some. This is the last pancake I got. And I saved it just for you. It's really, really good. Come on. Okay, it has extra butter and syrup. Yo, take this, take that. Oh, I just wasted pancake. Okay, they gotta like this say, I got a lot of pancakes. I want to eat mine. Close the blinds. Eat some. So I was gonna do this and what's that? Probably not good. Probably a lot of flying happening. Who's that? What? What's that? Hey, what? What you want? Wait, what you want? What? Why ever since I got it? Oh, he has a gun! This door is so... No, not a 6-7! No, what? I ain't sick of 6-7, this stupid number! I'm getting sick and tired of it! That's it! Beep, bop, bop, boop. Wait, I'm just gonna put this right here, Robin. Hey, stay right there! No! Oh, my plan failed. Go in there. It's that day hurt. See, trust me, that's a good food. That's really yummy food. Look. They eat it. Eat the food. It's a sandwich. Get out in my house. He's leaving? Oh, I can smell him. I gotta go snack. Okay, get out. Bye, robot. You can have those pancakes. They're not spidered. Probably bugs again. Cookie. Time. Oh, it's right behind you. Oh, let me eat something. Let's eat. It's about to eat something good. Who is it? Check. Not ding dong again. Who is it? Where was this guy? Look, where is this guy? Oh, yeah. Baby Charger? What are you doing in my house? What do you want? You're my, I know where your mom is. I know where your mom is. I know where your mom is. Hey, listen. Listen. It's a baby work gun. It's a baby work gun. A shotgun. Hey, listen. Hey, you want baby food? You want baby food?
No, I eat coal.
You want, wait, what do you eat?
Coal.
Coal? You eat coal? No,
I eat triangle. I eat monk. I eat lizards like you.
I have a hot dog. That's my owl lizard. What's the actual food you can actually eat?
9 billion pounds.
What's the food you can actually except for real things that other kaiju than humans?
Burgers.
Burgers? You eat burgers? Well, got a burger. Get a burger. It's coming. I got a burger. It's right here. Can you smell it?
Can't smell it.
It's down here. It's down here.
I feel like coming down. You'll bring it up for me. Else I'm gonna kill you.
What's your favorite burger? I saw you like burgers. Hey, well, you have to run for it, or else you can't get the burger. Okay?
I'm about to evolve.
Wait, what? What do you mean about to evolve?
Charizard.
You're
Charizard.
No. Hey, you know what this?
Charizard.
You know what this is?
I know that's a bomb, idiot.
That's not a bomb. This is a
I know
toy.
that's a bomb, idiot. I know my bombs, and I one of them. But
Listen, please. I like it. Please, no.
fine, give me the fat ugly burger. I'm gonna kill you.
Get out of my house. And here's the burger. Here's the
I don't
burger.
want the burger anymore.
Okay, yeah, I'm gonna leave it on the floor. Bye. I'm sick and tired. But the doctor said I have a couple more and it would stop. So that was probably the last one. Tired. Let me watch some TV.
Samini by the weenie. Samini by
Okay,
the
I think that was the
weenie.
actual lawnmower noise.
Samini by the weenie.
Ew, no. Ew. Oh, I hate it. Why?
Too small.
Please, don't come in my house. What do you want?
I want to go in the house
Why?
so I can eat all the cockroaches in there.
It's cop. You know, I know how.
Don't fly.
You want some flies? Okay, I'll give you.
Not flies. Little flies.
No. I know what a lot of bug is. I know
I
actual.
don't like other bugs. Only flies.
Well,
And there's no flies in this town.
well, it's actually one fly. It's actually a lot of fly in this guy's house. It's my next door neighbor. You
I
see?
don't feel like going to next door neighbors.
Ew, you're disgusting. You're ugly. You're so ugly. You probably born in the dark. The mom said, what gender is it? And the doctor say ugly. Just say ugly, because you're ugly.
No, that's wrong, idiot. I'm 23. I'm an adult.
You're not 23. You're a 6-year-old and stupid.
I'm not.
And you're a
This is
freak.
not even my real voice.
You're,
I just
you're a freak. You're a freak.
told me a fool over again.
Ew, you're ugly. No one would
Well,
ever date you. You're so ugly, I want to die because you're ugly.
It was actually not me. It was.
Okay, are you serious? What is the problem? Get out of my house. You know what? I'm just going to sit here until you leave. I'm so depressed. Hey, I want my butt with that because you just touched it. I want the whole. You
Say Godzilla butt.
disgusting.
Nothing more to you.
Please. I just want to I just want a break for once, man. Just a break. A break, man.
I don't need to do anything.
I don't really care, man.
Remember that little thing?
Yeah.
It was me.
Everything was you? No way, everything was you.
Yes, it was.
Well, listen, you know what a bomb is?
No.
Well, there's a coating. You stand next to it long enough. You stand here long enough, you will have infinite powers. Way more power.
Bombs is supposed to kill people. Oh wait. Let's go up. Let's and I found it in the bathroom.
Did you die? No.
I'm just going.
Why you have to Google that?
This is doing every poopy thing.
My next door neighbor is a guy that we have smelly poop, so snap him. Okay,
See
bye.
you later, alligator.
Sick and tired of this. Sick and tired of this. Sick and tired of this. Please, I hate Pokemon. I really hate Pokemon. Show. Wait, who is it? Who is it? Oh. You know what? I don't care when it comes and breaks my TV. I'm going to press. Why? I just want one thing to bring me joy. I just want joy. For what, man? I just want joy. Why God give me sad and simple joy? Why? Why? Joy. I just want joy, man.
Godzilla? Godzilla? You in there? No, you're not.
Huh?
Godzilla, you in there? You can call.
Wait, kick off? Yeah. What's up, bro? What's up, bro?
Forever.
Yo, what's up, bro?
20 years it feels like.
No. It was all we have 2 days we didn't see each other. Yo, wanna play some video games?
Yeah. Video games.
Okay. Okay, let's play some video games. Yeah. Okay.
I'm on the
2 hours later.
It's home.
2 hours later. Sorry, it has been 2 hours playing video games. Okay, bye, Colin. Time for you to go. Sorry.
Okay, I want to tell you something. On the news, I watched the news last night. I've been telling you, weird people keep on coming. Like, I feel the one, like, if it was got 2 eyes, like, you have a big mouth. Like, literally looks like a monstrosity. Look like a snail.
No, I have that same experiment.
What?
Yeah.
That's crazy. I really don't think that.
Yeah, go back home and lock your door and barricade. Don't mind the food. It was just for the creatures.
Okay, pause.
Who's that? What's that noise? Okay, this is probably the last noise in my head. Goodbye, noise. Goodbye. Okay, that was it's not the noise. It was just me. I'm talking to myself.
No, you're not.
Huh? Yeah, I know that noise. Wait. Let me watch the noise first. The news first. Let me watch the news first.
Let me in.
Hold on. Breaking news, okay? Evil Godzilla has been released for jail for 15 years. He has been in jail for 15 years. Now he come back, he's saying he's gonna kill his brother for revenge. Man. Oh no! Wait, I got a door! He's in my house! Oh no. I need to hide. Oh my goodness, I'm scared. I need a weapon. I need a weapon.
Where are you? This is your fight.
I swear, I'm right here.
I am unkillable. I'm called Short Godzilla.
Whoa.
I am the strongest.
Oh
Godzilla.
no, I am powerful more. I'm good. I'm pure good. Now it's time for gunfight. Where are you? Stop being a coward. You face me. Hey, who is it? Hey, get. Hold on. Can you help me with this girl? Yeah.
Get out of here, you smelly girl.
Hey.
How many people are coming? What are you doing?
I can't. The door doesn't work.
Oh my gosh, I hate this so much.
Okay, let's just win on and just do this outside. What is my evil?
Oh, never the evil one.
Die! Wait, my evil boy is not short. Die! Yeah!
I'm going to never go house.
Wait, he fell downstairs. Push!
Ooh, oh, right, I'm sick.
Oh, he stubbed his toe. Well, I'm gonna bloody. Wait, my real evil brother name. Yeah, Gerald. His name is Gerald. I'm gonna lock all my doors. Let me. Wait, let me watch the rest of the news. Breaking news. He's in the loose in the city. Do not trust him. He looks like Godzilla, but he can shape him. He can shape him one thing. His own brother. One good brother. The end. What? Who the? Wait. What? No! That's my evil brother. He can shape more. Oh no. Thank you, girl, saving me. Okay. Never mind. Thank you, girl, for saving me. Okay, so what's the deal with the number, man? I'm sick of time. No, I'm gonna have to kill you. Calm your asshole self, you coward.
No, fine.
Where are you, coward? Why you make that? Why you do? Oh yeah, you're axolotl. Yeah, you're way shorter. Yeah. So, hold on. Yeah, you're way shorter. Way shorter. I forgot. So come here. Where are you? Where are you, chicken? Find you. I had you one leg. You have one leg. You move slower now. Where are you, coward? Come here. I shoot you other leg. You move slower. Okay, this comes to an end, brother. I'm sorry, brother, but this comes to an end. I killed you.
You want my leg?
I'm sorry, brother. What? Oh, yeah, that's just my imagination. That's just my imagination. Oh. What is that thing? What is that? Show your face again. Show your face. Ew, you're so ugly. Ew. My neighbor have what you want?
Nothing. I want you.
Why?
Just you and your ugly baby.
Finally, it's over. Everything is A-okay.